Hey y'all, I'm gonna try my best to show y'all how I make my chicken and dressing. I've got a 9 by 13 pan of cornbread made, and I'm just gonna dump all of that in the big old bowl here and crumble it up. I should have already had that done, but I figured y'all might want to see how I do it. Just crumble it, get it all in there and crumble it up. When I make my dressing, I'll just put it back in this pan. Set it over here to the side right now. But just crumble all your cornbread up real good. It's a real simple recipe. There's not a lot of stuff in it. And I cooked my chicken in my Instant Pot with some chicken broth. I just put, well, let's see. Let me see how much, they weren't very big. I put 2 packages of, it says net weight 1 pound 42 ounces of chicken breasts, and they weren't all that thick. They were kind of thin, so they're just really perfect for the chicken and dressing. I may have to add some more broth to it, and if I do, I've got some. This is what I'll use right here, chicken broth. And I've got me 1 onion cut up. I'm going to add that to it. Cut up and diced real good. And let me get a spoon. I've got a can of cream of chicken soup. Gotta have the cream of chicken soup in it. Well, when I had the thought to make this morning, already had my cornbread made and everything, the chicken on, and I thought, oh my gosh, I don't think I've got any cream of chicken soup, and I sure wasn't wanting to go to the store. But praise the Lord, I went over there and looked, and there was a can in the pantry. Okay, this is the broth I had left in my Instant Pot. I'm going to use that first. And I'm going to start adding a few little spices to it. All I use is lemon pepper seasoning, and oh, please don't ask me how much, because I don't know. Y'all just watch me. I just sprinkle some in it, and I do it to taste is what I do. And some ground rub sage. I don't know, maybe that's a couple of tablespoons. I'm going to stir that up a little bit. Let me get my salt out. And I really don't add any extra pepper because of the lemon pepper. I think I'm going to have to add some more broth to it though. I believe that's on there tight. My old hands don't work like they used to. Okay, let's stir on that a little bit. See if I probably have to add some more broth to it though. There ain't nothing worse than dry dressing. This right here will make enough that I can put a little pan of it in the freezer before I cook it. And I can have maybe some dressing later on. When I get ready for it. I'll put the chicken in it in here in just a minute. I got two dogs down here looking at me thinking, I want a bite of that chicken. Almost enough. A lot of people put celery and all that stuff in theirs, but I just don't like a lot of stuff in mine. And the kids and the grandkids seem to like it, so I'm gonna keep making it like I do. Let me see if I need to add a little more sage to it. I think that's about right. Maybe a tad bit more. Not much. And then I add my chicken to it. And I save a little bit for the dogs. And that's how I make my chicken and dressing, y'all. It's got one of the most simple recipes that you'll ever make. Nothing fancy about it. Put it right back in the pan I made my cornbread. Put it in the oven, cook it for about, I don't know, 45 minutes or an hour. Chicken and dressing. Then I'll have some left over to make some, put in the freezer. Y'all have a blessed day, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.